Today, Cupcake and Sylvia's road trip adventure continues into North Arizona near Page. First stop, Navajo Bridge. The first Navajo Bridge was constructed in 1929 and provided easy travel between Utah and Arizona. Until then, travelers had to use Lee's Ferry to cross the Colorado River, which could be harrowing. The second bridge was built in 1995, and the original bridge is now used for pedestrian traffic. Glen Canyon has been used by human groups for over 10,000 years, with hunter-gatherers initially and Anasazi groups around 1,000 years ago. Prior to the Spanish arrival in 1540, Navajo, Paiute, and Hopi all traveled through this area. It's a beautiful area, and the drive to Vermilion Cliffs is beyond amazing.
Places I think I have ever seen, and I thought nothing would be sitting cool. Look at this. Okay, so we're at Horseshoe Bend. We're gonna take the trail. Okay, here we go.
Horseshoe Bend has been formed by the erosive force of the Colorado River for millions of years. It has a 1,000-foot drop to the Colorado River from the viewpoint. Also, Horseshoe Bend is not part of the U.S. National Park System. Half of it is owned by the city of Page, while the other half is owned by a family in the area.
Okay, so the last time Cornbread and I was here in Page, we did not get to come to the Coral Hayden Visitor Center. We're stopping in here because there's supposed to be about a little hike that's to a beehive, which is supposed to be similar to the Wave, because the Wave you cannot get into. So we're gonna go try to find out some information about it. Okay, so there is the Glen Canyon Bridge. I'm gonna try to get a picture of the dam. Okay, so we found the Beehive Trail. It's 1.5 mile loop, and we are climbing up there. You can see Lake Powell from the trail. Okay, so I pulled a Cornbread and kind of climbed to the top of a rock, and this is what I found. Could be a little well if it had water in it. And I climbed from down there. Now, don't ask me how I'm gonna get back down to you, Sylvia. I'm just gonna scoot on my butt. I know.
Beehive Trail is a 1.9 loop trail just outside Page, Arizona. Its nickname is the New Wave since permits to the original one are extremely difficult to get. While the scenery may not be as dramatic as the more popular site, the views you'll find here are beautiful and the hike is very enjoyable since you can actually get there.
It's beautiful, huh, Sylvia? Because he will climb all the way up there, Cornbread would. I'm just not going to do that. I did one climb. He'd be that person right there, all the way at the top of it. But not me. Okay, so so there's an opening down there. I'm not sure. I think that's what they're calling the Beehive, but kind of been seeing formations that look like beehives the whole time. The trail does not look like it leads down there. We shall see. A cave right there that you can't go up into, but oh, you see somebody's coming out of it. But it's a little bit too steep for me and Sylvia to attempt. Alright, Cornbread, we definitely will be back because you would love this place. You would be climbing in probably every cave and everything, so I will definitely be bringing you back to this place.
That will wrap it up for Cupcake and Sylvia's time in northern Arizona. Next up will be southwestern Colorado. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.